Greetings to everyone. We all have understood this chapter more about plants. If not, then you can check my previous videos in which I have explained the whole chapter. Today we will solve book exercises. Open page number 26 of your book. There is a question, match the following. Before solving it, you all can see a yellow box of wrap up above this question, match the following. You should read this box so that you may revise the complete chapter in these few sentences. Now, as you know that in the matchings, these are the picture of parts of plants. First one is root, second is flowers, third picture is of leaf, fourth is a fruit, fifth is stem. Now read the next column. A part is makes food. So, which part of plant makes food? Yes, leaf. So, match A part with third part of first column, that is leaf. Leaf makes food. B part grows underground. What grows underground? Roots. Yes, first part. So match B with roots. Roots grows underground. Next, C contains seed. What contains seed? Fruit. Yes. So match it with fourth number, fruit. Fruit contains seed. Next, grows above the soil. What grows above the soil? Stem. So match the D part with fifth one, stem. Stem grows above the soil. Next, E part, change into fruits. What change into fruits? Flower. So match flower with E. Flowers change into fruits. Now come to the next page. B exercise. Tick right the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. In place of right wrong, for the sentence which is correct, we can write T. T for true. For the sentence which are wrong, we can write F in front of it. F means false. Now see, roots make food for the plants. Roots make food for the plant or leaf make food for the plant? Leaf makes food for the plant. So this first part is wrong. Write F. F means false. Second, plants with weak stems that need support are called climbers. Yes, that's right. Climbers need support to grow. It's true. Write T. Third, plants give us oils and medicines. That's true. We get oils and medicines from plants. Write P. Fourth, all leaves are green in color. This is not true. This is false. Not all the leaves are green in color. I will show you some plants that do not have green leaves. So write F in front of fourth part. Next, fifth, all fruits can be eaten. You will be surprised to know that all fruits are not edible. We can't eat all the fruits. I will show you which fruits we cannot eat. So write F in front of fifth part. These are the fruits which are not eatable, like foxhead, harlequin, gloryber, and holly. And there are many more fruits which should not be eaten. And this is the list of those plants which do not have green leaves. Now let's solve C exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Two options are given in the bracket. We have to choose the right one. First part is plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called climbers or creepers. Creepers. Second, dash are part of the plant that grows from buds and change into fruits, leaves or flowers. Flowers grow from buds. Next, third, plants with woody stems are called shrubs or herbs. Shrubs. Shrubs have woody stems. Fourth part, the dash takes in water and minerals from the soil. What takes water from minerals and soil? Stem or root? Root, because roots are under the ground and they absorb water and minerals from the soil, while stems transfer minerals and water to all parts of the plant. So the right answer is root. Fifth part, plants give us dash, shade or sunlight. Plants give us shade because we get sunlight from the sun. Students, now we have solved book exercises of this chapter, so you all have to learn them. Also try to answer the questions mentioned in the D part. Thank you.